Good morning, students. See, now our next topic. I hope you are doing well for 1.1, 1.2. If there is any query, you can ask me. Now, this is interval form of a set. How to represent in interval form? Suppose if I am writing x belongs to -1 to 1. What do you mean by -1 to 1? X belongs to -1, 1. X belongs to -1, 1. X belongs to -1, 1. So these are different forms of intervals you can see here. Now first I have written x belongs to -1, 1. Open interval. What do you mean by open interval? Which implies -1 and 1 are not included. What do you mean by x belongs to this curly bracket -1 and 1? Means set having only two elements -1 and 1. X belongs to open interval -1, close interval. This is open interval, included, 1 not included, which implies -1 is not included and 1 is included. I'll explain you afterwards what do you mean by included, not included. Here again, this is close interval, this is open interval, which implies -1 is included and 1 is not included. Now, I was telling you included and not included. Now, what do you mean by included? Included means, suppose if I am expressing -1, 1 on number line. This interval form means on number line. This means only two elements. Now on number line. So this is my number line. I write 0, I write 1, I write 2, I write 3. Same here. -1, -2, -3. -1 to 1 means -1 is this and 1 is this. This is not included. So here it is this bracket and this bracket. Only this will be the answer of this. X can be, x belongs to -1 to 1 means x is between -1 and 1. It can be anything. It can be -0.9999999 and so on. Then it can be 0.9999 anything. So these are the numbers. So there are infinite elements in this. Now what about same x belongs to -1 to 1 means only two elements -1 and 1 as we are doing in tabular form. In tabular form we are seeing that -1 and 1. How to write? If I'll tell you x square is equal to 1. If I'm telling you x such that x square equals to 1 and x belongs to z. What is the answer in tabular form? You will write minus 1 and 1. What is the square of minus 1? 1. What is the square of 1? 1. So these are two elements. So this set contains only two elements. Now what do you mean by the third bracket? For third bracket, if I say open minus 1 and close 1, means minus 1 is not included and 1 is included. Again the same number line we can construct it. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, where is minus 1? Here, and 1 is here. So 1 is included. So this is a complete bracket and minus 1 is not included. So you have to show like this. If I want to write in another form, less or equal to, you can write minus 1 less than x less or equal to 1. Equal to means included, not equal to means not included. So there are three ways to express. This is on number line, this is in interval form, and this is, you can say, a property method. So minus 1 is less. Okay, how to write this? How to write this? This can be written as minus 1 less than x less than 1. There is no equal to sign here because it is open bracket. It is open bracket. Open bracket means not included. In between minus and 1 you have to consider all the elements. Here you have to include 1 and you have to exclude minus 1. So this is the way. For the last one, if I write, it's minus 1 comma 1. How to express this form? So it's minus 1 less or equal to x less than 1. So this way you can express the property. If the property is given in this way, you can express in this way. If it is told to show express in number line, you can express in a number line this way. Now we'll consider an example from the exercise, so that little bit more clear. It's new for you, but this is very much helpful in all the cases. In trigonometry, this will be useful. Then if somewhere you need to express it, like it's linear inequalities, there also you have to use these things. So these are linear inequalities. You have seen x plus y, we have seen x plus y equals to 1. But you have not seen x plus y less or equal to 1. That will come in chapter linear inequalities. Now here we will do one example from the exercise, question number 6 of 1.3. What is that? Write the following as intervals. My first question is x such that x belongs to R minus 4 is less than x is less or equal to 6. And my one more example, if I can write, is all are in question number 2. X such that x belongs to R minus 12 is less than x is less than minus 10. And question number 7, set builder form you have to write. So if first is minus 3 comma 0. So how to write it? And one more, if I take third one is 6 comma 12. So these 4 questions, now I have to write this in interval form. So I'll write x belongs to, since here equal to is not there, so it's open bracket minus 4 comma, this is close bracket 6. Here x belongs to, nowhere equal to sign, so both open bracket. If you write this way and then you overwrite this way, I will not consider. This is wrong. Okay, so mind well, in the exam you need to be very careful. Now if I see question number 7, I have to write in property method. So this can be written as x such that x belongs to R. So both are open intervals, so you write -3 is less than x is less than 0. Then here it is x such that x belongs to R. Okay, this is again an open interval, this is closed. Third one is belongs to R. So 6 is less than x is less or equal to 12. Yeah. Thank you, students. So this is what are something new topic for you. Any query you can ask me.